Hi and welcome to Healing Divinity. My name is Kristina and today I want to talk about how to activate your crown. So your crown sits halfway in through your head and halfway outside. Well, it's bigger outside, but it's deeply connected to the third eye. It's the gateway to the higher realms, it's the gateway to the divine, but it's not something that we need to reach out through. It's the place where we enter and leave our body, but when it comes to the divine love, the divine energy is all around us. It's everything, right? It's all that is. But we can separate ourselves from the divine love and feel that we are separate from God. A very common belief. And so in the crown we hold a lot of programmings and limiting beliefs that has to do about our worthiness, our ability to connect with the divine. And so we may have taken a lot of vows, contracts, agreements, and bonds in different lifetimes, in different parallel existences to this, where we may have sworn that we won't connect with the divine unless we are allowed from another person, the priest, the priestess, the church, whatever it might be. We may have limited ourselves to a specific belief form, a specific religion, and that may have created limiting beliefs and certain blockages in the crown. We may not be aware of this, but these limiting beliefs and these subconscious beliefs may block us or are blocking us. So when we sit down in meditation, we're just about to break through something, we might need to get up and do something else. We might not do our practice because there's something there that doesn't feel good and we not want to face it. We don't know what it is. And this might be one of those subconscious beliefs, especially when it comes to the crown chakra, because it's specifically related to connecting with the divine. So the divine love is always available to us. It's not something that we ever have to reach out to. It's something that we have to open up to. And this is really where the feminine, divine feminine comes in. It's about passively receiving. You're like a cup, so allow your cup to be filled. And this is where the crown, we just have to allow it to stream through us. Each chakra is like a vortex. It's also as a filter. And so when the energy comes in through the crown, it gets filtered and distorted depending on the limiting beliefs and the programming that we hold in our crown. So, like I mentioned before, you might have limiting beliefs that you're not worthy. You might have limiting beliefs that God is separate. You may have associated divine love or connecting to the crown as something as wrong. That you think that you are better or bigger, or maybe you think you're Jesus. You're not supposed to do that because there's only one Jesus, right? Sorry, not meaning to offend anyone, but we're all divine and we all have a right to connect to the divine within us. And so different religion and different beliefs that we might have received in this lifetime or parallel existences in other lifetimes where we have given away our power to a priest, a priestess, or someone on top of the spiritual faith that we were in. We might have been atheists, not even believed in God, so we completely cut ourselves off. We might have believed in a separate God outside of ourselves. And so how would God enter into our being then if God is separate from us? For example, I mean, there's so many different limiting beliefs. And so you don't need to specifically know what your limiting beliefs are. Just know that you are more loved than you can ever imagine. And the divine love is your birthright. It's not something you have to ever earn or be worthy of. You just have to open up to it. You just have to open the door, and it's something you have to do yourself. Because we have free will, and unless you want to connect, it's just gonna wait until you're ready. So it's not something that's gonna be forced upon you. But if you feel that you want to connect with it, and that you want to heal and clear your crown chakra so that you clear the filter, you clean it up so that the pure divine light can come in through your crown, not get distorted, but to flow clean through your being and activate you and fill you with divine love throughout all your physical being, throughout all your energetic bodies, throughout your light body. And so what you do is that you place your attention on top of your crown, right about here, like the center of your crown. Trust your higher self where you feel guided where you want to place your attention. It might be at different places throughout. Around this area, you might want to place your attention in the center of your skull. Trust your inner guidance, okay? You might need to place your attention in different parts of your crown for a full awakening, because there might be different blocks in different parts of your physical self. You might want to place your attention a little bit above the crown. Close your eyes and just feel, where is your attention being drawn in your crown? Trust that attention, trust that awareness where it's being drawn, and then place your attention there. So what we're doing is, your awareness, your consciousness is light, pure light. Your awareness, your consciousness is the I am presence, it is pure light. So by placing your awareness, your consciousness in your crown or anywhere within you, you start to activate light there. And so you activate the chakras by placing your attention within at different specific points within you. And then you communicate with your higher self, your enlightened self, your God self. That's always with you, but same thing there. You want to open the door and want to reach out for the connection, for that connection to occur. Because if you don't want to connect with your higher self, it's not going to be forced upon you. It's a choice. It's always a choice. And we have got plenty of time because we're eternal beings. So, place your attention within your crown, then close your eyes and ask your higher self if your higher self could please locate the original seeds within you that is somehow limiting or blocking the divine love to flow down through your crown. That's blocking everything from you, within you, from receiving the divine love, the divine grace through your crown. From those original seeds within you, throughout your ancestral lineage and everything that's grown from there throughout, if it can be cleared to light, including the original seeds now. All vows, contracts, agreements, or bonds that you have ever sworn throughout all your existences, throughout all your lifetimes, where you have somehow given up your direct connection to the divine, if you can release all those vows, contracts, agreements, and bonds now. Any vows, contracts, agreements, or bonds that where you have ever given away your power to someone outside of yourself in any form throughout all of your existences, if you can release all those vows, contracts, agreements, and bonds. Any vows, contracts, agreements, or bonds where you have sworn chastity, poverty, silence, or anything else that has ever any ever limited your expression as your unique self. If you can release all those vows, contracts, agreements, and bonds now. Anything else within your crown or throughout your being that somehow is blocking your crown, that's blocking you from fully connecting with the divine through your crown. From those original seeds within you, throughout your ancestral lineage and everything that's grown from there throughout, if you can transmute all of it to light now, including the original seeds. And if that can be done now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And so it's done. Continue focusing on your crown. You might feel different sensations throughout your body. You might feel discomfort in different parts of your body as a part of the process, as different things that's been blocking you and weighing you down is being released. Just sit with it. You might feel emotions. Let it flow. You have to feel it to heal it, so just be present with what is and trust the process. Continue going back to your crown and placing your attention there and just asking it to open up. If you feel lightheaded, just connect with your feet, feel with your feet. Spend some time in nature today. Every day actually. It's really good. We need to develop roots to be able to fully blossom into awakened light beings. You might receive a lot of information or feel that you get a lot of ideas when you open your crown. Know that the crown is not above the others. It is the connection to the divine, but to fully integrate the information that you receive, you also need to open up and work with the other chakras. Balance is key, and all the other chakras support each other. It's an intricate matrix. And so don't just focus on the crown. Don't just focus on the third eye. Focus equal amount of all the chakras for a full and healthy integration and activation of your light body. It is really, really important. Spending time in nature really helps. Spending time in nature will really, really help you to open up the crown and to the divine. Nature is so pure and so clean. It will really help you to open up and let go of any distorted beliefs that you might have about the divine and about yourself. Please let me know if you have any questions or if anything was unclear. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So much love.